All right, so today I'm going to be going over today's SAT question of the day. So we got a question set up here. It says, I'm about a laptop computer at a store that gave a 20% discount off its original price. Okay, so as you read this, you want to label, you want to kind of strategize as you go. Okay, you don't want to just be reading mindlessly. You want to be taking notes. You want to be underlining certain phrases and assigning variables. So when I see original price right here, immediately my mind goes to, okay, I'm gonna set that as X. So you can write this out if you want to, but you can let X equal the original price. Okay, so on the test, obviously you don't have to write this, but in your mind, you do want to go through this. So the total amount she paid to the cashier was P dollars, including the 8% sales tax on the discounted price, which the following represents the original price of the computer. Okay, so usually after the first read, you're not going to be able to fully grasp the whole situation, despite taking notes. So let's go over it again the second time and then see what else we can pick up here. So Alma bought a laptop computer at a store that gave a 20% discount off its original price. So we start off with X, and then if there's a 20% discount, you gotta multiply by something here to create the new value that comes after the discount. So because it's a discount, what you do is instead of 1 plus, you do 1 minus. And then 20% in decimal form is 0.20. So that's what you're going to subtract from 1, and then you're going to multiply that. So that would be the price after the discount. And then the total amount she paid to the cashier was P dollars, including an 8% sales tax on the discounted price. So on top of this, we're going to pay an 8% sales tax. So that's a markup, right? You pay more for it. But that's 8% off of this discounted price. So in order to incorporate that 8% sales tax and find the new value after the tax, you're going to do 1 plus, because it's a markup, of 0.08. And then that's the total amount she paid to the cashier was P dollar. P dollars. So that's what P is. So you end up with, if you simplify this, you get 0.8 here, and you get 1.08 equals P, which the following represents the original price. So this is what we're trying to solve for, meaning that X is what we want to isolate. So we got to move these numbers to the other side, and in order to move them, you got to divide both sides by these two numbers multiplied to each other. Okay, so what you end up with is a cancellation of those two numbers on the left side. So you get X is equal to that. Okay, so that's answer choice D. Sweet.